Hi guys, we are back today and today's video is about how I prepare my base. What do I do before I start putting my makeup? So my usually first step is always to do my eye makeup. I do my eye makeup first so that if at all there is any fallout, I can cover up with the foundation concealer. So after I do my eye makeup, I go ahead with the primer and with the foundation. And one of my most favorite foundations and primer in an affordable range is Lakme's primer, which is Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer, and Lakme Absolute Argon Oil Serum Foundation. So this one comes with an SPF 45 as well, and this gives a full coverage. If you see, I will be showing it to you now in the video how I do my base. And this primer has been my staple. Like, I have been using this like for so long, and I love this primer. Sometimes just the primer itself, I apply the primer and thereafter I use the blush and all. This does the trick for me. This gives me a very subtle and a very beautiful glow, and thereafter this foundation. So if I'm going for a party or something, I use this foundation. It's very easy to use. You can easily take a little, as much as you want. There's no spill. It's easy to carry. This is a plastic bottle in golden, which is very easy to carry. It's affordable, and guys, Nykaa पे बहुत अच्छे offer पे भी है. And you guys can check out the sale, and if you find anything worth buying, go ahead, buy Lakme products. Lakme products are on a very big huge sale, and they are amazing products. One of my favorite products, and yeah, check it out and see how I do this base. And thereafter how I do the makeup. So my basic very easy steps is, first I prep up my skin before I put my eye makeup. Thereafter I use this primer and then this foundation, which gives me full coverage and makes my skin look flawless. So you guys can check it out. Guys liked the video and enjoyed the way I did my base and maybe took a few hints. So this is the final look after applying the base. The foundation, I did put a little blush and a highlighter. I did use a little contouring powder from my usual sugar. And this lipstick which I've used is also from Lakme. So this one is a Lakme Enriched Matte WM10. I'm going to put it in my links below if you want to try this out. It is a very beautiful mauve shade, pink mauve shade. Looks really nice, especially if you're going for a party or something. Looks really nice, and it's very moisturizing and stays for easily 4 to 5 hours, and it's very affordable. So you guys can check this out. It's also on the sale, and I have also used Lakme Kajal. So this is a Lakme Iconic Kajal in deep black. I have been using this and it stays really long. So do let us know what you think about this video. Do leave a comment and do show us lots of love because it means a lot to us.